Remember this question? What do you want to be when you grow up? Back then, the answer was simple. But now, choosing a career feels overwhelming, right? Don't worry. Here are 5 simple steps to choose the right career path. Number 1. Self-discovery. First, understand yourself. What excites you? What are your skills and strengths? Your career should align with what you love. Number 2. Explore career options. Research different careers, don't just follow the crowd. Look into industries, job roles, and growth potential. Number 3. Develop the right skills. Skills matter more than just degrees. Gain real-world skills, certifications, or internships that fit your career goal. Number 4. Test before you invest. Before committing to a career, try internships, volunteering, or freelancing to see what suits you best. Number 5. Seek expert guidance. The right mentor can make all the difference. A career counselor can guide you based on your strengths, industry trends, and future opportunities. Choosing a career doesn't have to be stressful. Just follow the right steps. At Elysian Inspires, we help students and professionals find the perfect career path. Let's build your future together.